Hello, Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is Nimrat and we roll number 547 from Government Graduate College of Science, and here's my code. So first I used some IO stream, F stream, and then C stream to use in my code. And here is the first class, which is bank customer. I have data members here, customer ID, name, password, balance, and some functions that are shown. These are the functions that a customer in a bank can perform, and there are some friend functions that are being declared in both my bank customer class and my bank admin class. And then we can see here that there is a constructor with the bank customer, and it initializes the balance to 0.0, and then there is a getter for ID, and then there is a view balance function that takes the balance and represents them. And then there is a deposit function, a withdraw function, and an add customer function. And then there is a get customer function. Basically, there is a setter and getter for the customer itself, and they can take the parameters and then set a customer and then view their details by using the get customer. And then I have a second class which is called as bank admin, and it has the data members like bank ID, admin ID, name, password, and then their functions where there are setters, getters, and constructors and friend functions. And here I have a long code that describes all those functions. Let's see. The first one is change password. Here the admin can change their own password. They will take the old password, new password, and then matches the or new password with the already saved password. And if they matches, they will create the new password. Same goes with the customer, changing the customer password. Same function is repeated with customer class as a friend function. And then I have a set admin, which is a setter, and then get admin, which is a getter. The set admin saves the data into the files, and get admin gets the data from the files. Okay, here I have used files if stream here. And then I have add customer. Here the admin can add a new customer if they are asked by using the ID, name, password, balance, and these are the parameters. And then they store the data of the customer in files. Then I have a view customer where the data from the files is being read, and it is then displayed to the user if they ask to view their own details, and they said to the admin to show them their details. The admin can use this function. And then there is an add balance function where an admin can add the balance of a customer to their deposits, like to their money, cash, etc. balance. And then there is a function which is remove balance where an admin can withdraw money from a customer. And then I have their main function where I have objects of bank customer and bank admin. And then I used a do while loop. Inside a do while loop, I declared the two choices, admin or customer. On clicking one, the admin will be redirected to another page, which is login or back to the main page. And after clicking one, login, they will be asked their name, their password. Here you can see that login statement. They will be asked their name and password. And then we call the function a1.setAdmin that takes the name and password of the admin and then sets them, like save them. And then get admin show the details that the admin is being set successfully. And after the login success, they are being shown a number of choices of the functions they can perform as an admin, where the first one is view and your own details, change customer password, change their own password, or enter. They will be first asked enter the customer's ID to change their password. And then there is to set customer, create a new account of the customer, and view the customer details, and deposit a customer's money, withdraw a customer's money. These all are the choices which are shown as the cases in my switch statement. So the last one is 8. On clicking the 8, they will be redirected to the previous page, where they will be asked if they want to log in or back to the main page. And then after clicking on 2, they will be redirected to admin or customer. And on clicking customer, they will be redirected to a customer's page where they have to log in as a customer. They will add their ID, name, password, balance, and they will be logged in as a customer. In a customer choices, there are multiple functions like view their details, balance, view their balance, add balance, or withdraw balance. And these are the switch statements that show how I called those functions from my previous classes. And then after clicking any of these, everything is working fine. I cannot show the terminal here because this is a GitHub account and the VS Code does not allows actually the recording. So here's my code. I will show the terminal in my next video. Well, somehow I tried to show the terminal outside of my computer because it wasn't working. Here is my banking system.exe file, and now I have my main page that says banking system in two roles, admin and customer. On entering the admin, I'm being set to log in by entering my name, password, and then after I edit everything, my ID was auto incremented using the static variable. I have some number of functions here. So enter choosing one. I chose the view admin details, and now I have been shown my details, my ID, name, password. And on using the 2, which is change my own password, it is asking me my previous password to confirm, and on entering the correct password, it was artist. I was being asked to enter my new password and then entering like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. My terminal says password change successfully. Now if I want to see, I can say 1 and then see my new details have my new changed password. Now let's go to 3, which is change a customer. No, let's see if I entered the wrong old password, what happens. I entered wrong old password, new password, and it says incorrect old password, access denied. So it works perfect. Now the third one is create a customer's account. So on choosing third choice, you can see like 3, I have to enter the ID to create a customer ID, their, let's say 111, their name as Ali, and their password as password, and then their balance, let's say 400. And then it enters, like we can see their details on entering the choice 4. They're asking the ID. On entering the correct ID like 111, we will be shown the customer details here, name, password, balance, etc. The fifth one is change a customer's password. So on clicking in, I'm being asked to enter their ID. On entering the ID, they are asking me the same previous password. On entering the correct password, I am being asked to enter their new password here. So I'll add hello as the new password, and then it is showing me that password changed successfully. And on clicking the 4 to see the details of the customer, let's say ID I111, and I can see the details. Oh my god, wait a second. I hope it is adjusted now. There is a huge problem. So sixth one is to deposit a customer's balance. I am entering the sixth choice. I was being asked their ID and entering the 111. I am being shown enter balance to add. Let's say we want to add 300 rupees, and on entering we can see that balance updated successfully. So what is the balance? Let's see by on clicking the 4 view customer details. On entering the 4, we can enter the ID 111, and then we can see the customer details here, the ID 111, name Ali, password, and you can see that the balance is 700. The previous was 400 and new was 300. We can withdraw some balance too. Let's say 7 and then ID 111 and then amount to withdraw. Let's say we want to withdraw 200 rupees, and then after entering it is saying that balance withdraw successfully. And on clicking the 4 to see the customer details, we'll enter the ID same as 111, and then you can see the details of the customer balance are changed from 700 to 500. Let's go back by clicking 8 and then go back by clicking to here, back to the main page, and then let's log in as customer. So on clicking the two, we are being directed to customer. Welcome customer, either login or back to the main page. We have to log in, enter ID 111, name Ali, and then the password. We remember the password was hello, and on entering it, hello, we can add the balance, which was 500, I guess. Yeah, on clicking, then there's first showing me the details, but there are also a number of functions where I can see my details on my, I can deposit balance. On clicking to, it is asking the cash to enter. So let's say I want to enter 1000 rupees. So after clicking enter, it is saying deposited successfully, but I want to see if my balance has increased or not. So on clicking 1, I can 3 to let's first withdraw some balance, like 1200 rupees. That is saying that withdraw successfully, and the remaining balance is 300. First it was 500, then I did 1000, it was like 1500, and then it was withdrawn some money, and now it is 300. So current balance is 300. Back to main page. Now then again back to main page, and then on clicking the 3, we will be exit the program, and here's our program.